Hey my loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about fair skin complexion. I'm going to be sharing with you all skincare products and some tips that you can follow if you have a fair skin to achieve that attractive, glowing, brighter, even skin popping fair skin complexion. Okay, now today's video is going to be centered on the body. Now let's start with some skincare tips that you need to follow, because it is not just about jumping into this skincare product. The first tip is maintaining a healthy skin barrier. See, a healthy skin barrier is the foundation to a glowing and an attractive skin. If your skin barrier is damaged, you will notice that your skin will be easily irritated or sensitized. You will notice that certain skincare products you will make use of will not just sit well with your skin. You will notice that it will be very difficult for you to exfoliate your skin. And exfoliating the skin is one of the essential things when it comes to achieving a brighter, a glowing skin. Exfoliating your skin is important. But if your skin barrier is damaged, how can you then exfoliate your skin? So have you seen the reason why I said a healthy skin barrier is the number one basis? And this does not only have to relate to fair skin, whether you have a dark skin, a caramel skin, any skin complexion that you have, a healthy skin barrier is number one. If you want process or products that you can use to repair your skin barrier, or maybe you have a damaged skin barrier, I have actually filmed a detailed video where I also shared skincare products and steps you can follow to repairing your damaged skin barrier. Okay, it is very important you actually check out that video. When you're done watching that video, you can now come back to this video and focus on getting that attractive skin. But first, achieving a healthy skin barrier is important. The second tip is making use of your sunscreen. And when I say sunscreen, you should not be less than SPF 30, okay? And please apply a generous amount of your sunscreen on your skin. I don't understand. Some people will just take tiny sunscreen, tom on their hand. They'll apply it on their skin. They'll say they are done applying their sunscreen. Do you even know that some people don't even apply their sunscreen on their body? I know that most sunscreen comes in tiny quantity. Like me, I make use of a sunscreen I can use on my face and my body. I don't have that kind of money to be buying sunscreen for face and be buying sunscreen for body. It is just too expensive for me, and I cannot afford that budget right now. So if you want to know the sunscreen I use, me, I make use of the Gavial Sunblock and Brightening Cream. This is what the product looks like. It works perfectly for me on my face and my body. That is the reason why I use it. So make sure you get a good sunscreen you can use on your body. Now, the next tip is skin hydration is key. Yes, your skin cannot be looking so dehydrated and you're expecting your skin to glow. No, it cannot work. For your skin to look glowing, you need skincare products that are going to help you hydrate your skin. Another way you can actually hydrate your skin very well is by drinking enough water. One of the ways water benefits your skin is by hydrating your skin. Water will help you hydrate your skin from the inside outward. Is either you use skincare products that are hydrating on the skin, or you use water, or you drink water, you take enough water. Another skincare tip is exfoliating the skin. Exfoliating the skin is one of the important steps if you know you want to achieve an attractive, glowing skin complexion or a glowing fair skin complexion. Now, exfoliating the skin is something that you should do 2 to 3 times in a week. Do not overdo it, because when you overdo it, you're going to end up irritating your skin and damaging your skin barrier, which will not take you back to the first step I talked about, saying a healthy skin barrier is the foundation to an attractive, glowing skin. So have you seen the reason why I said overdoing the exfoliation of your skin is not advisable at all? Now, exfoliating your skin is important because it will help you remove the dead skin cells from your skin, thereby promoting a more radiant skin. It also helps to promote a brighter and even skin tone. That's number 2. It helps improve the absorption or the penetration of your other skincare products. Another importance of exfoliating the skin is that it helps you to unclog your pores. Take for example, if you're somebody that is always suffering from body acne, back acne, butt acne, maybe any aspect of your body, exfoliating your skin is going to help you to unclog pores. It's also going to help you prevent those body acne, whiteheads, blackheads on your body. Now, also talking about body acne, I've actually filmed a detailed video on that also. So I'm going to leave the link of that video in the description box, okay? So you can follow that link to check out that video. You can try to bring in skin brightening ingredients. Note, I said skin brightening. I did not say skin whitening. Skin brightening are those products. It is not going to alter your skin complexion. It is not going to make you one shade or two shades lighter. Skin brightening will only help you to review your natural skin complexion. So as you are naturally fair in complexion, it will help you to review a brighter, fair skin complexion. That is what skin brightening will help you to do. Okay, good ingredients that actually helps to brighten the skin. We have vitamin C. We also have niacinamide. Now let me just mention other ingredients that you can use when it comes to achieving an attractive skin complexion. Turmeric. Turmeric is good for brightening the skin. Another ingredient is alpha arbutin. Now, alpha arbutin on its own is something that will help you to target pigmentation. Now, another good ingredient you can use is glycolic acid. This one is mostly in the aspect of exfoliation. Another ingredient is licorice root extract. It is also good. Lactic acid. Lactic acid is also for exfoliation. And then we also have tranexamic acid. Products that contain tranexamic acid is very good for dark spots. Like alpha arbutin I mentioned to you. Tranexamic acid also helps to target and get rid of dark spots. So if you're always suffering from skin discoloration, dark spots on your skin, making use of skincare product that contains tranexamic acid in it will actually assist you to address that concern of dark spots on your skin. So these are just some good ingredients that you can actually make use of. Now let's come into the main business for today, which is this body care routine or this body care kit. So the first step in your body care routine will be cleansing your skin. Using a very good brightening body wash is very nice. There are a lot of brightening body wash you can make use of. We have the St. Ives pink lemon and mandarin orange body wash. That's the one that me particularly I do make use of. We also have the Naturium body wash. Naturium has a lot of body washes. They have vitamin C body wash, which is so good, which will help you to brighten your skin. We also have the Olay vitamin C brightening body wash. This is another good product you can make use of. This Olay body wash, it contains vitamin C and it also contains vitamin B3, also known as niacinamide. So this Olay vitamin C body wash is packed with good brightening ingredients that will actually help you to brighten your skin. Now once you're done cleansing your skin, let's say if it's on the day of exfoliating, you make use of your body scrub. Now when you're trying to exfoliate your skin, try as much as possible to go for body polish or body scrubs that are not harsh on the skin. Making use of Dove products is very nice. Dove has a wide range of body polish that you can make use of, and Dove is actually a gentle skincare brand, so you can make use of Dove body polish. You can actually make use of their pink, the one that comes in pink color. They have another one that comes in yellow color. I think they have another one that comes in blue color. These are very good body polishes from Dove that you can actually make use of. Or maybe you don't want to use Dove, you can actually make use of 3 Hot and vitamin C body scrub. There are a lot of good brightening body scrub you can make use of. You can also make use of Dr. Teal's vitamin C body scrub. It's also a very good body scrub you can make use of. Now exfoliating the skin, I've already mentioned earlier, is not something you do every day, 2 to 3 times in a week. So the days you're exfoliating your skin, after cleansing, you exfoliate your skin. Now once you're done showering, everything in the shower, you come outside. See, if you're trying to treat if you're trying to get rid of pigmentation on your skin, if you're trying to get rid of dark spots, uneven skin complexion, a dull looking skin, then you need a treatment body product. You need a treatment product. You can make use of a body treatment serum. As a matter of fact, me personally, I have already started investing in a body serum. Okay, so this is the body serum. This is the body treatment serum I make use of. This is the Vaseline body serum, and that's even what I'm going to be recommending to you. Although the one I am holding is the Flawless Glow, but the one I'll be recommending is the Dewy Radiance body serum. Anyone, you can make use of anyone. The only difference is that this one contains retinol in it, but the one that is Dewy Radiance, that one does not contain retinol in it. So that's just the difference, but they are actually good on the skin. But this is the one that I am presently making use of, and I must tell you, ever since when I brought in this treatment body product in my skincare routine, I have noticed that any form of dark spots on my skin easily gets cleared away from my skin, I have noticed that my fair skin is looking more glowing. My fair skin is looking more radiant. Another good, effective body serum you can make use of is the Boost Vitamin C body serum. This is what this product also looks like. So anyone you can make use of it. Any of these, is that the Vaseline one or the Boost Vitamin C body serum, they are good treatment body serum that will really help you to treat dark spots, uneven skin complexion, and give you that glowing fair skin complexion. Now when you're done applying a treatment body serum on your skin, the next step is going in with a good body moisturizer. So a very good body moisturizer, brightening body moisturizer you can make use of is the Medix 5.5 body moisturizer. This is a good brightening body moisturizer you can actually make use of. It will actually help you to brighten your skin. Now for those people that want more of something that will help them moisturize their skin, protect their skin barrier, give them, like, they want to focus on skin barrier so that their skin can be looking healthy, glowing, and all those things, then you can make use of the Cetaphil moisturizing cream. Cetaphil moisturizing cream contains niacinamide in it, it contains panthenol in it, it contains glycerin in it, it contains sweet almond oil, and it also contains vitamin B5. Niacinamide is a brightening ingredient, so which means this moisturizer, this Cetaphil moisturizer, will also give you added benefits of brightening. Now it contains panthenol in it, which is good for the skin barrier. It contains glycerin, which will help you to hydrate your skin. It contains sweet almond oil, which will also help you to moisturize your skin. It will help you to hydrate your skin. So making use of this Cetaphil moisturizing cream is also a good product you can use for your skin barrier to also brighten your skin and give you that attractive fair skin complexion in general. Now once you're done applying your body moisturizer on your skin, the next step is going in with a body glow oil. See my dear, let me tell you something. If you really want that attractive, glowing, popping, sweet fair skin complexion, then using a good body glow oil is very, very important. See, I know that a lot of people skip this step. They say body oil is not important. But me personally, like, I am somebody that can testify to this. The way I love body oil to the extent that presently I have 5 different body oils I make use of. Now those body oils are obviously, I'm not just going to be talking about them here, because I have actually filmed a detailed review on the body glow oils I have made use of. So I'm going to leave the link of that video in the description box also, so you can follow the link of that video to check out that video. Body oils help you to even out your skin complexion or your skin tone and add more glow to your skin. If you have an uneven skin complexion, using a body oil will help you to even out your skin more and leave your skin looking glowing. The second benefit is that it will help you to moisturize your skin, and it will also help you to lock in moisture. It will also help you to hydrate your skin. It will now leave your skin feeling supple and softer. Now another benefit of body oil is that it creates a protective barrier on the skin. Have you seen the reason why using a body oil is very good? Now, good recommendation for body oils that you can use. The first one, we have the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Oil Mist. This product contains oats and it also contains jojoba oil in it, which will help you to moisturize your skin and also hydrate your skin. So this Aveeno body oil is a nice one you can make use of. So once you're done applying a body glow oil, the next step is going in with a sunscreen. A recommendation of sunscreen you can use the Hatumugai sunscreen on your body. I know it might sting you on your face. You can just buy it and be using it on your body. That Hatumugai sunscreen is even a moisturizing sunscreen, and it is very good. It will help you to protect your skin very well, and also it doesn't leave a white cast on the skin. Or you can actually make use of the Bondi Sand moisturizing sunscreen lotion. It's also a very good sunscreen you can use, which doesn't leave a white cast on the skin. So these are good products, or these are the steps you should follow if you want to achieve that attractive skin glow, that attractive fair skin glow. Now the reason why I only focused on the body care routine in today's video is because I have already filmed a video for the face care routine, products that you can use for your face also. Okay, so I'm going to leave the link of that face care kits for a glowing and attractive fair skin complexion over here, so you can follow this link to check out that video. So my loves, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.